Alright guys, new day, rest of the diamond painting's still open. Or at least the rest of mine, then I gotta also open Mom's. I'm not sure I'm gonna get to all of them today, but... I got a cute little birdie. So this one was part of a set. I don't remember if the set was all birds or some other stuff, but this was by far my favorite. I'm not sure it was the only one I liked, but it was by far my favorite. So, a very cute bird. The photo almost looks like it was painted. So if this is actually a copy of somebody's painted photo, then yeah, but at the same time, AI can do effects like making it look like it's painted. So again, it might be an AI image, might be an artist image, who knows? But it's a very cute little bird. Some flowers. The colors are pre-bagged and the numbers wrote on the main bag. It is the diamond sign bags that I like, but they were thrown in here kind of randomly, it looks like. But there's some nice colors in there. Sorry, a lot of them are hiding. So again, I think this one should turn out really pretty. We have 18 colors and a decent drill field. Look at the big black eye. So that's a pretty painting. Alright, this one. The stick is up here and the cover isn't quite that high, but stained glass macaw. I have one other stained glass macaw. I know there's at least like 4 or 5 of them. I was hoping I got a red and a blue macaw and that they were facing each other. I'm not sure if that is in fact what I got though. I don't remember which macaw I already had. So, quite a bit of black, grays, greens, reds, yellow, orangish colors, greens, browns, really dark purple there. Again, should be nice and colorful. So, apparently I spoiled my mom with the label maker. I gave her some of her paintings I had unboxed, or unbagged, however you want to word it. And I didn't print a label off for them. And she's like, these ones don't have labels. It's like, oops. I honestly was going to do so. I just forgot. Because I wasn't planning on going to see her yet. I was planning on opening the rest of them, then doing that. So figured I'd get to the labels once I got them all opened, and I didn't get them all open before I gave them to her. So oopsie. So we have a larger chart, 26 colors. And again, color blocking up here in the 3s, which again look a little blurry, but I'm sure you know those are 3s. Cute little eye. Look at the pretty feathers. So another really pretty bird. What's the odds that we started with the 2 birds? What is the odds we started with the 2 birds? Okay, this one. Hopefully this looks nice, although it looks like it might be the old style painting with the square type grid lines. So it might not look as nice as it will when it's finished, but I thought this was so cool. Yeah, it does not look as impressive right now. Oh, nice. Thin 4-placer bags. Squishy. Oh, I hope this turns out. It is round drills. Just kind of like the old print style. Kind of looks a little stretched to me, honestly, because that planet looks oval, not round. Same with this one. It looked so gorgeous, the picture, though. I was kind of obsessed with that picture. So, a little sad it is slightly stretched. Enough! It is slightly stretched. You can see that this is more oval. But hopefully it turns out decent with the colors on it, because I thought that was gorgeous and just like so vibrant. So it does have a very clear drill field. I will say that. That is going to be very pleasant to work on. And you got some nice color blocking. You got a little bit of confetti in there too. So hopefully she turns out pretty decent. I am annoyed that it's stretched because you can tell quite easily on a circle like that. I don't know if I would tell that this was stretched if it was honestly her full face, because it's just like that stretched, like a row or two. But with these being circular planets, it's a little easier to tell. So blue, this is a really dark purple, some blue, some yellows and blues, oranges, reds, greens, purples. Ooh, I love this light blue and purple combo right there. Yellows, oranges. The colors look great. I think it's going to pop very nicely. So, the exploded head planet lady. Alright, and then this one is the other lady. You guys saw the video with the one lady. This one is the other. I was saying in that video I had another one that was similar but different, and I don't know why I actually thought they were similar, because they weren't just inverted images, but they looked similar to me. This is the other one I was talking about. And we got a little friend again. So needy. The audience needs to see me. Please, Mom, help me. Oh! Did you guys see that? She made a jump for it. Ouch! Hi. Oh, I think she really thinks she's the star of the show. Okay, you're getting everybody crazy. Calm down, guys. Calm down. Enough. So, get all this sorted back out. And again, the numbers wrote on the bag. We have pre-bag drills, some pretty color. some pretty colors. A lot of blue with some... This looks like a pinkish color to me. I'm guessing it's supposed to be more like a fall orange for the leaves, but it kind of looks pinkish. So, there you go. Kind of like a fall lady. So, she has 18 colors. Again, you can tell those N's and G's are a little blurry, but the G's being blue, the C's being black, it should be easy enough to read. So, gorgeous lady. I'm sorry about the craziness of the animals. I know you guys say I don't need to be sorry for it, but they're just being grumbly right now. They're not playing, and they're just annoying each other. So this one's a pretty dragon. A lot more dark colors than I expected, honestly. But fat 3-placer. And all of the bags in the train are separate. Yay! Almost as bad as the little bags. Or equally as bad as the little bags, because at least, like, yeah. So I don't really care for when they come like this either. At least when they're pre-bagged, I don't have to bag them. And normally the bags are in order, maybe one or two are out of order, but this is just, you know, a chaos. I have no idea what bag is going to be the first bag and what bag is going to be the last bag. Because you got a 700 here, 700 here. This one's facing this way. This one's facing this way. Oh, and I just noticed there is no label on the bag to say what painting it goes to. I almost missed that. Interesting, pretty color dragon. Again, I feel like there's more dark to it than I was expecting there to be. So hopefully the colors bring out the colorful areas more to kind of negate some of this darkness. I like the cover sheet on this one. It has a thicker plastic cover sheet. So, look at that eye, flaming eye, and all this like colorful flames for his body. Some leaves on his chest. You have 25 colors and a very clear drill field. More confetti than anything though. If you can see, it's a mix of 2s and K's for the black. There's a chunk of K's there, a little pile F, a little pile of H and T. The E's, but a lot of confetti to this one, even though there is, okay, look at all the D's. Nice color blocking there. So it's a mix of color blocking and confetti. Nice balanced painting. Alright, so this one goes to a set that we've slowly been acquiring. I think there's like 2 or 3 more of these ladies, and then we'll have the set, I think. So this lady has a straw in her hand. So I did just find these ladies also on GBFKE in 40 by 50s. Which is like, oh, if I had knew, I might have got them that size instead. But I have almost the whole set in 30 by 40s from Temu now, so Very nice blue colors to this one. Reds, grays, yellows. Alright, we have 20 colors. A nice drill field. Sorry, the puppy is really trying to get up here. So, 20 colors. Patches of color for you guys. Nice row of S's there. I would say that's on the harder to read side, but this pink color is going to be the S, so I don't think it's going to be too big an issue, since you can tell by the color as well. See how the U's quite different, but it doesn't look like they're the clearest print. So we got her. Alright, this one looks like it's not gonna turn out well until drills are on it, but it's another one of these colored ladies. I didn't know this one existed. Sorry about the shaky camera if you notice it. So you got blues, reds, oranges. Nice color palette. This is definitely going to brighten up with these on it. Each bag is labeled with the number of the DMC and the quantity. The overall bag has the canvas ID on it. Well, after this we have one more, and I'm kind of happy because, again, the animals are just in a weird mood apparently. They're not being playful, they're being annoying. That happens sometimes. So yeah, she's not much to look at until she gets her drills on her. But here's what she's supposed to look like. And she has 25 colors. You have some dummy circles here. Looks like it's going to be easy enough to read everything. So, there's this lady. And last one. This one's another square, old style square canvas, not the printed image. So this one's going to be harder to read before we put drills on it as well. But it's this little, what? It's like a nymph, pixie, mermaidy something creature lady. You got the thin four-placer, the squishy, and the bags. Sorry, my voice is having trouble. I don't know if you guys can tell. So hopefully she turns out. Whew. So you have 25 colors, and look how colorful that looks like it's going to be. And again, like I said, these are the square looking blocks, but they are round drills. This is just kind of like an older style of printing. So. She's pretty. And the drill field looks very clear. So, that's nice. Black, pink, greens, blues, oranges, grays. Not as colorful as I actually expected based off the photo, but definitely some color in there. Well, here's our little girl. She doesn't want to lay, but it's the only way she's going to fit up here for you guys. So, here she is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those photos. Hopefully your day, night, and morning all go well and continue to go well. Hopefully you get some of your diamond painting done. Get some time to relax. And I, as always, will have more for you. I will, as always, have more of these for you. Next video is probably more of Mom's, or maybe I will show some of the finishes, because I have 2 of Mom's finishes and one of my finishes to show you guys. So those videos will be put in somewhere. You might have already seen them before this video, or you might see them after this video before seeing her Temu paintings. But hopefully you guys have a nice day.